Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Blackmore's Night, and we're going to react to the song Beyond the Sunset. This is our first time single take honest reaction. Let's get started with it.
Wow,
Wow.
beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Wow.
Oh, what are your thoughts on this one, Kirti? I've heard a lot of music like this, so let's hear your thoughts.
This is wonderful. This is amazing. This is nice. How could a simple song like this could be this effective? This is nice. This transports you into a very amazing place. It's like you're lying there somewhere in a very lavish Spanish villa kind of a thing, with that Spanish guitar sound and the background music filled with the orchestral sound. This is great. I like the guitar, the way the Spanish guitar plays throughout the song, being the hero of the song, and then the other instruments just come as a complement to the Spanish guitar. I like the sound of it. It's got a rich sound. It's got very serene feeling to it, very calming, very relaxing. It's a ultimate song if you want to just relax. You want to just transport yourself to an amazing place without even moving, going there. So you can imagine yourself on a beach. You can imagine yourself in a great house, like I said, any place that you like of your fantasies.
Yeah, it's
Wonderful.
relaxing, it's soothing, it's just beautiful to listen to music like this. It's heavenly. It's a typical song in the new age genre. Most of the best artists in the new age genre sound pretty much as relaxing, soothing, and beautiful as this. This was heavenly, this was divine. This definitely gives you a moment to just lay back, hold still, don't do anything else, but just listen to the music. It's definitely a mind cleansing song. It will clear your mind, cleanse your mind, it will make it pure, it will clean it, and it will give you time to just, be mindful while you listen to the music. And then, of course, it gets dreamy. It does get dreamy, so you may start daydreaming, you may start reflecting on things, but it's definitely going to be something, uh, romantic. It's going to be something pure. It's going to be something happy that you will be reminded of. It's wonderfully done. The guitar, of course, dominating the acoustic feel, is present throughout the song. In the second part of the song, I think there was a keyboard in the background which gives that echo-like sound. I'm not sure, but it's wonderfully done. Blackmore's Night. This is Richie Blackmore of Deep Purple, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
But this, of course, is quite unlike Deep Purple. Deep Purple definitely has a few ballads, has a fair share of ballads, but this is more new age than rock music, classic rock.
Yeah. It was
Beautiful,
more-
beautiful. I think he wanted to do something quite different from Deep Purple, and hence he started Blackmore's Night. I'm not sure how far it went, or whether it's a one-off thing, whether it's a one of those bands that comes together. What is it?
super group.
Super groups. Who knows? Who knows? But beautiful.
This
beautiful.
sounded great. This grows on you. The more you listen to it, it was getting better.
For some reason, on this platform, songs like these don't do well.
I know. It's
Not just as far as
disheartening.
not just far as our reactions go, but overall, people just don't seem to enjoy listening to
And
music like this.
they-
Or maybe they aren't recommended it by YouTube.
Exactly. There are
The
admirers
algorithm-
of this music, but they will never know that something like this exists.
The algorithm is structured in such a way, probably by technical fools who have no clue what a music lover actually wants. So they will promote things and recommend things what helps their insiders make a lot more money. Insiders, with the quotation marks.
Like this.
But unfortunately, musicians like that who definitely sound good. I mean, any new age music lover like me will, and any guitar lover also, acoustic guitar, Spanish guitar, will love music like this. So, but not on YouTube. On YouTube, surprisingly, it doesn't do well. Although people love it a lot more than most.
When they
Most
listen
pop
to it,
songs.
they know the difference in their
Most
feelings.
more pop songs of the world of today,
Yeah.
people will love this more. But on YouTube, you won't know that. Justin Bieber, Bad Bunny, Dua Lipa, Harry Styles, Ariana Grande, Taylor Swift, they are much more popular than Blackmore's Night or Day will ever be. That's it for this one.